Hi everyone, I am Preeti and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I was quite busy. A lot of things happened with me, but here I am. तो कल मैंने एक स्टोरी डाला था about कि कल मैंने एक eyeliner look create किया था and you guys just bombarded my DMs and replied me that you want a tutorial on this, so here I am. So let's be very quick. I don't want this video to be super long, so I use this eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner for sure. Just I don't like waterproof eyeliners. They're like plasticky, so yeah, I don't suggest that. So I'll use one eyeliner, and this is the secret. Yeah, this is the Vega brush. This is not that expensive, maybe $100 or something. So yeah, let's start. What I'll do is I'll take out the eyeliner and I'll use my brush to apply it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is look straight like this and then make my wing. Okay, this is the length. Maybe I'll extend it a little bit and then I'll join it like this. See? But when you open your eyes, it will look something like this, which is actually normal. So when you rest your eyes, it will look nice and clean. So this is the trick. You have to look straight and then apply your eyeliner. And then I'll quickly fill it up. This is basically the rough sketch of what it will look like. Now what I'll do is make it more perfect by drawing the edges. To do the inner eye corners, this is going to be tricky. You just need to follow your upper eyelid line and extend it. That's it. Okay, and then extend. Yes. You can see, and it's done. Like this is this easy, and I'll complete the look by using some kajal and mascara, and I'll show you the final.